Boom, I'm going pro today, dude.
We both went pro today.
Once you go GoPro Hero 7 Black, you don't go back.
Yeah, so we're filming on the Hero 7 Black Edition.
Yeah, dude.
DJ bought this the other day, like right after we dumped the other camera.
Yeah, just been waiting for it to show up.
Yeah, seems like everyone liked the VX video.
Yeah, that was sick, dude.
Yeah, so maybe, because we're moving in with Parker, that's like the plan, so maybe we'll have some more VX stuff. We don't know exactly how this is gonna go, so you guys let us know what you think.
Yeah,
maybe
if it sucks, man, I'll just fucking sell this. I don't know.
Oh shit, the screen went black. Is that normal?
I'm sure it's fine. Here, flip around, give her a look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now I can see you again.
Oh, let us know how the audio is, because that's something that we don't know for sure. But we could always get an external mic, I'm pretty sure.
There's certain ways. There's ways to do it.
We'll figure it out. Anyways, we're gonna film this video with this and just see how it turns out. We got a box here that I got in the mail just like 10 minutes ago. So we're gonna open this real quick. And then I got a fiberglass repair kit for my bumper. You guys remember I told you in that drifting video that the e-brake disengaged and it rolled like 5 miles an hour into a little truck. I might end up getting a new bumper if this doesn't turn out well. We're not fiberglass experts.
Dude, I miss this fisheye life, dude.
I know, it
it's
looks
so
good.
sick. Also, this has like the crazy image stabilization and shit, so no need for a gimbal. We're just on a selfie stick right now. Ooh, newspaper? Let me read that shit. All right, so he sent us a letter. It says, Trump royal stirrer among pomp and circumstance. Oh no.
What does that even mean?
Trump royal stirrer. Yeah, I actually don't know. It doesn't really make a lot of sense. Yeah. WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange found. Man, this guy writes some boring fucking letter.
Hey, blokes, Quentin and DJ Cat. Bunch of funny guys with good mates.
Oh, it says because she owns a wagon like mine.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
And always keep me entertained, motivated to keep working on my AE71 Corolla.
Hell yeah. Mirror for
Hope you like them. And they look sick. I brought them. Oh, I think they're mirrors for the scooter. Also, my Instagram is nick.hack.patty.whack.
No. Knick-knack.
Oh, knick-knack,
yeah,
not hack.
Knick-knack, patty-whack.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Thanks,
Well,
Nick. Dude, we got some fibromyalgias.
Fuck, dude. I just came here to film a video. I got fucking fibromyalgia.
We could use it on the GoPro.
Oh, that's true. Oh, fuck, dude. That's a cam.
For what?
The scooter.
Really?
Why is there... I don't know too much about these. Looks like some sort of something.
That's for sure.
Dude. Looks
These
like
are the mirrors.
Oh, mirrors.
Oh, these are sick. I remember this guy sending me a picture of them.
Yeah.
Look at that little GoPro in there.
Look at that wolf guy in there. Hey. Cool scooter, dude.
If I remember. Oh,
Oh,
yep, these won't work.
that's a sad sight to see. I'm sure there's like a converter.
There's got to
you
be
can buy.
adapters. Yeah.
It's scary to do a foot down turnaround on this thing.
Foot down, turnaround?
Yeah, dude.
That's a hokey poke.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking yee.
Fiberglass, marine fiberglass repair kit.
That's for boats.
Yeah, I was like, yo, is this gonna work for my car? He's like, yeah.
It's fiberglass. All breathing heavy from the sick skid and all those burgers I eat.
All right, so like we said, we don't know what we're doing here. I'll read this.
Oh yeah, this will tell us
Oh,
everything
see?
we need to know.
Car.
You can repair a fucking building with that.
whole
Oh,
house.
it's a oil rig, I think.
No
Oh, a
shit.
house. Yeah, that's weird, dude.
Do's and don'ts. Do use fiberglass cloth. Don't use microfiber. Do work in a well-ventilated area. Do read the instructions. Hell yeah. Do protect your skin. Don't work in bright direct sunlight. You good?
Yeah, we're set.
Don't apply resin mixture over wet or dry surfaces. Wet or dry? Oh, wet or dirty.
It's gotta be damp, dude.
Don't apply resin mixture over painted or finished surfaces. Good on that. Don't apply polyester resin over styrofoam. Okay, don't apply resin like a coat of paint. Don't overwork brush. Step 1. Clean or repair area to remove grease, oil, dirt, and wax. All right, so let's take the bumper off first. That's step number 1.
Yeah, front lip.
Like that.
Yeah. Once you GoPro Hero 7 Black, you don't go back. There's like a episode of last podcast where Henry was like talking about how sexy like short men are or something like that. He's like, once you go short, you don't abort. My natural instinct is that you should fix it from the back, like apply.
But that wouldn't get rid of this.
No.
Ass shit.
Yeah, exactly. I think what you're supposed to do is fix it from the back and then Bondo the front or something like that.
Turns out we have the technology.
Yeah, we weren't sure if we knew how to take 2 nuts off.
2 nuts, take 2 nuts off.
Huh?
2 idiots.
Oh, I get you.
All right, check out what I'm about to do here.
All right, what you about to do here? Oh, fuck, Quinn, you're a changed man.
Uh-huh. All right, so let's assess this damage. It's pretty bad, honestly.
Damage. That ain't good.
This is cracked all the way there.
Dude, this camera getting the angles the other cameras couldn't.
This is like the hardest part to possibly repair.
Yeah.
Right here. But we're gonna do our best.
Maybe we'll tape the front of it like that and then fiberglass the back of it. This is pretty reparable. Pretty repairable.
Okay, so we're gonna tape the outside to like get it to where it is most in its normal fashion, and then I think we're gonna fiberglass the inside. That's the plan, and then we can like Bondo the outside.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
G off.
G off. Dude, that's gonna take a zoom. That's gonna be the crop of a lifetime.
G off said he was coming.
Do we? Dang. Decimal system?
Do we decimal?
Honestly, it's fixed.
Dude, we don't even need fiberglass.
Yeah, what the fuck?
You know what's funny? Like when I'm about to sneeze and someone like looks at me, I can't sneeze.
What?
And even if I'm driving down the road and like a car is coming towards me,
yeah, dude.
and I'm about to sneeze, I can't sneeze.
Sometimes I'll be on the freeway jacking off and then someone sees me, I just gotta stop. Carlos.
Let me vape one of those. Let me vape one of those. Can I have one of those?
Yeah. Filled with grass and shit.
What? That's gonna get you high, dude.
My lawnmower.
It's literally full of grass.
Let me see.
I was mowing lawns and I had it on the floor of the mower. I didn't have anywhere to put it. I don't want that.
I don't. So what I've seen people do is like cut strips out of this to just like the exact size you need, and then lay it over, and then like paint on the epoxy or the resin or whatever the fuck it's called.
Mix and apply resin to surface. Work out all the bubbles and wrinkles. Good saturation is when the fiberglass cloth or mat appears to disappear.
How does something appear to disappear? What the fuck are these instructions?
Alright, let's do one of these first.
Yeah. Little practice, bitch.
Is there like a mixing equation here?
I'm sure it's written on that.
18 drops coming. Oh, call that 18.
Ooh, it smells like my fucking innards. Like if I were cut.
Your
innards. Yeah, dude.
Will you like?
Oh, it's like turning colors. Oh, dude, that means it's working. Oh, it smells like a well-ventilated area. That's what it smells like to me.
Ooh, this is toxic. Alright, we're going for it.
Wait, maybe? I was gonna say maybe we should put this up, right?
Oh, geez.
Because then gravity's working with us. I guess, you know, lesson learned earlier. Once you go GoPro Hero 7 Black,
You don't go back.
you never ever once go back. Dude, this is gorgeous already. It looks fixed. Dude, we're fucking fiberglass magicians. We should have got Josh over here, dude. Josh Jasmati.
Oh, true. He could restore a boat.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, we don't need Josh Asmani. Look at that.
That's beautiful, dude. Let's make a Bozazoku fucking...
Alright, I think we're ready to move on.
Yeah, dude, I think it's
Right?
perfect. I want to make it productive. That was pretty good.
Oh,
No. Should probably find a way to clean
Michael.
that off. Yeah, we need to do some damage to Michael over here. Yeah, dude, we're pros, I think.
I think so.
Oh, that's...
Wow. Worked out.
Wow, I can't believe something works.
I think that turned out pretty good. I might have done a little
Too much.
generous.
Yeah.
Scraped this out a little bit.
Yeah, this one's looking good. This one's looking good. I think. I mean, we don't know what good looks like, but
We'll
it
see if
doesn't
it
look
ever
fucked.
hardens. It might not ever harden.
Yeah.
Don't do this to me.
I'm sure a better job has been done, but not by us.
Not by us. This is the best we've ever seen.
Exactly. Well, I guess we just wait for that to dry.
Yeah, we could go get Bondo.
Yeah. We're gonna go get some Bondo.
We're gonna take DJ's new car.
Yeah, this is my new car. You guys didn't know I got an S14? Crazy. Yeah, this is my brother's car. He's borrowing the 4Runner and he can't drive 2 cars at once. Just
Yo,
at my
DJ
house.
matches the coupe right now.
Dude, you matched the Natter days.
Whoa! All right, we went to the store up the street. We got some sandpaper, we got some Bondo, we got some white spray paint, and we got a sanding block.
Dude, it's holding its shape.
Yeah, look at that.
Who'd have thunk?
Not me. So this is what we Bondo.
Yeah, smooth that out. Oh, yeah, that'll be easier.
Yeah.
Maybe start with that one.
All right, so just like Fiberglass, me and DJ have never Bondoed anything before, which is surprising.
Seeing as how ugly and shit all of our cars are. That looks like some cream.
Yeah.
Nah, that sounds like a lawnmower. Oh,
Oh,
it's Jeff. Sorry, Jeff. Didn't mean it. Damn, Jeff rips, dude. You hear that?
I heard that.
What up, Jeep? Jeff, you look like a serial murderer. Damn,
Serial
Jeff looks
murderer?
cool.
Or 1 1/4 inch strip of hardener.
Yeah, it looks like 1 1/4 inch to me.
Me too.
Yeah, just give her a good old swirly twirly. You ever bondoed, Jeff?
No. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
You just slap this on there.
Yeah, slap it on there and try to go as smooth as possible.
Okay. It's supposed to be messy at first.
Is it? Is that what they say?
Got to make sure everything's covered. All right, calling that good.
Yeah.
Head on to the big old cracky boy right here. Getting hard.
Oh shit, hurry up. Oh no. Yeah, I'll probably have to mix new stuff. Damn, this shit, I didn't know it set that quick.
Yeah, that's fun for the whole family.
Gee. You like my S14, Jeff?
Yeah, dude, this is sick.
We got the GoPro mounted on the chest mount right now, so we're gonna throw it on Jeff.
While our shit hardens.
Yeah, we're waiting for our shit to get real hard right now.
Yeah, put the strap on while you wait. You're good.
Hell yeah. It's a little slippy on the grass. Yeah, it takes a minute to start when it's not warm.
All right, well, Jeff tested the GoPro. He did some GoPro rips. Quint did a GoPro rip with the Scootsman. But now we're back down to business because the Bondo is setting. Trying to sand it down and start getting some shape back into this. Jeff's gonna head out. Wow, you look like fucking ready to murder, dude. I said it earlier, I'll say it again.
I'd call it a six, yes, dude.
Yeah?
Dope.
Yeah, I mean, it went from fully cracked to
Obviously Bondo.
very blatantly bondoed, like badly bondoed, but I don't know.
It's our first time.
Yeah, for the first time I'd say that is technically Bondo applied to a car.
Yep.
Cool.
Fiberglass hardened up real nice on the backside, so we must have got our mixture somewhat correct.
All right, well, paint's kind of dried. Lights back in. Time to throw this bitch back on. All right, the bumper's pretty much on. Quentin's just putting some last finishing factory body clips on just to make sure it's all fully OEM. There's still plenty of imperfections, for sure. But look, this is where we worked on the car. Yeah. This is where we didn't work on the car. Sorry, Quint. That's the difference right there. See, I keep looking for this one and not being able to find it. That means we did good. Except that's not good, but it's better than nothing. And here at More Skids, that's what we're all about.
Well, let us know what you guys think about the GoPro. Know what you think about our Bondo fiberglass tag team duo job.
Wow.
I'm pretty excited about it. Well, I'm not excited, but I'm happy with it.
Yeah. It's not amazing, but it's better.
Yeah. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Again, let us know what you think about the GoPro and the audio and everything. We hope it turns out all right.
Yeah,
we're hyped on the camera.
Yeah, it's fucking so fun.
But thanks for watching. Thanks to the patrons and all of our subscribers. We love you all.
Without you, we wouldn't have this camera.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Call me Bill Gates, I'm the motherfucking band man. Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Yeah. I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Money nose kid with the Sudafed flow.